Hi, it's Wanda again. I tried one today on a 12 by 30 that I totally messed up. Had to scrape. So I decided to kind of try it again, but on a smaller canvas. And I will hope that this paint is thin enough, and I just saw a lump in it. I think I just saw a lump in it. So this is one I was trying to do like a landscape. I didn't like how it turned out, so we just go again. Let's see how this moves. It's moving okay, not moving great. I think there was a lump. Is a lump. So, see if I need more water in here. That's probably gonna need to be gone over again. I'm hoping to use enough paint that it'll roll off, cover those sides good. So I don't have to worry about them showing blue or brown. We're gonna use the trusty hairdryer again. Make sure I didn't see a lump in there. There it is. This is Phthalo or Pthalo Turquoise. It's a very dark color, but when you blow it out, it's absolutely fabulous. So I want to use some of it. I also want to use this purple that I made, but it's really dark, and that's why I didn't put it on top of the blue. So this may splatter everywhere. I kind of want it to splatter, actually. So I'm going to turn on the blow dryer. I will mute this part so you don't have to listen to it. So what I did on the first one that was really a big mistake was I blew it for too long. Because you know, you keep trying to fix things. So I'm gonna look at my edges here, and I think I'm gonna have to put some more white paint in some places. But I'm kind of happy with this. I might add, I had that, this is a beautiful color that I had over here. This is a silver with magenta added to it to make this color. And I may have added a little bit of pearl medium to it. It's very thin. So I don't know if I'm gonna add any of that or not, because this looks pretty good to me. And this is a fast video. Not one of those 20, 30-minute ones that I'm usually doing. So let me look this over real good and see if I can make up my mind. Because, you know, that's the hardest part for a woman, making up her mind. And I can say that because I am a woman. If there are men watching this, don't say that. Just fair warning. Don't say anything about women having trouble making up their minds. You'll be in hot water if you have a woman in your life. Yep, this needed fixing. I'm just kind of walking it down between what's on there, because I don't really want to disturb what dripped over too much. And it'll go ahead and drip on down, hopefully, and look okay. Because this is pretty. Even if it is a pour over. And I have a sister who does not have internet, and I was wanting to do a painting for her, and I think this would work. Even though it's not the color she kind of hinted that she wanted. She likes pink and lavender. But who said I couldn't do two for her, right? Well, I may just leave it like it is. That dark center looks fine. Gives it some depth. Mess that side up right there. But I think these will go ahead and drip off, and hopefully they'll look good. Good enough. So, thank you for joining me. I appreciate everybody watching. I think that's probably going to be the way it's going to need to be hung, so that the dark will be down and the lighter will be up. And I hope you enjoyed this one. Your paint has to be really, really thin on this for this to work. Really thin, almost like water. And you have to have a lot on the canvas to begin with, because when you start blowing, you're going to run out of it in the middle if you don't have a lot. So, I think I'm about done. I really want to pick up the thing and do a little bit more. But that's it. That's all. I hope this is not too much left on the canvas. That's my main concern right now, is that there might be so much paint left on the canvas that it will not dry well. So, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, evening, night.